morning, all. It is Saturday, October 27th. I think it's 27th. And we're fishing today at Huntington Harbor. Brand new area. Look at this. It's completely fogged over. Never been here before. I've been here with a couple of the members from the Float Tube forums. It's pretty awesome. There's more over there too. So we're actually like a little band of float tubers out here today, trying our luck. And with any luck, we're gonna catch some fish. So hopefully it's better than some of the other times, the last couple times we've been out. I actually did come out last weekend. I know I didn't post a video up because I basically had nothing to show. I only had caught one fish, but I did have a review that I wanted to post up as well, so I'll be getting to that soon. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Weekend right now, and I'm sitting there fishing in this. I'm about to get ganked, I swear. Some giant monster, Halloween monster's gonna come and get me. There we go. There we are on something. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Alright. I caught this guy by going right underneath that dock piling. I'm trying to learn how to... Well, there it goes. Wasn't able to get it under control there. But, yeah, on the red crab. We feel piling. He wrapped me into the piling. I should have done it faster, not worried about the... He's got me all wrapped up in this piling right here, but he's still on. Yeah, he's still there. You little bastard. You little bastard. Got me all wrapped in that piling. Got you though. I really have to get better about oh, he's strong this thing. He's all flared out. This guy's angry. Well, hopefully you can see it. Got his mouth shut. He's all flared out. Look at his gills. Got his spikes all kind of going crazy. I'm just gonna let him go. I can't even get my finger in his mouth. He wants to get me so bad. There you go, buddy. When I caught that guy, I was on the other side of this piling. He actually wrapped around that thing. Got me tied up in the piling. I wasn't sure if I had him on or not. Got him kind of kicked on the other side, loosened up a little bit, and then he was still on. So I got lucky on that one, or else he would have broke off my line. Little guy. I know he's a tiny little guy. Yeah, look at this little guy. I think I can handle this one like that, hopefully. Jeez, what was he going to do with this thing? I think the smallest ones have the biggest, most sharpest teeth. There we go. Boy, whopper, huh? But it's not a spotty, it's a striped. Okay. Caught that one on a sardine green. It's pretty torn up now. That little guy, I was talking about their teeth. He ripped that thing apart pretty well, actually. Still can be used though, I think. Hopefully it'll still have the same action, but today's, that was my third. It's been kind of overcast all day. The water temperature is about 69 degrees. Not the greatest of days, but so far having a fun time exploring Huntington Harbor. Caught two on the sardine green, one on the crab. I also tried using a watermelon with red flake tube bait. No bites, nothing on that. And I switched over to the dark sleeper. Not too much success with that either. Still using this power bait bass attractant. I'm not 100% sure if it's working or not, but I'm just kind of using it to mask the smell of anything that I might put on there. Just like that, and it's out. Oh, I must have. But it's been I mean, can't complain about today. Just learning. I'm still out here with the guys, so we're just checking out this bay and seeing what's here. But yeah, I'm trolling back, and got myself a little guy for sure. Tiny little guy again. Oh man! So when you troll it, when you troll these fish, these little tiny ones. So there he is. And these guys have the sharpest of teeth. Anyways, little guy. Here's little stripes, little striations there. Not exactly a spotty, so a little sand bass. He's got some kind of nasty leech-looking thing on the back here. See if I can pull this thing off of him, but it's on there pretty good. It's like digging into him. So sorry, guy, you've got some kind of a little leech guy on there. Looks like it's going to kill you or something. Sorry, buddy. I'm trying to help you out. Wow, I've never seen something like this before. Some kind of strange creature or something digging into him, and he's eating him with the tail. So you can see that there. Pretty gross. I don't know what to do with that. Maybe if I just kill that thing, then hopefully it'll help him out. There you go, buddy. Hopefully that helped you. Anyways, little guy. Hey everybody, so we are just finishing up here at Huntington Harbor. It's about 11 o'clock or 11:30 or so, and ended up with 4 today. All little 3 spotted bay bass, 1 striped bass, I guess, striped sand bass, I don't know, one that's not a spotty, sand bass probably. Been a pretty overcast day. The water's been pretty calm. The tide is definitely kicking in right now a little bit. It's a little bit more difficult to push in, but making my way back no problem. It's a really nice place to go fishing, this Huntington Harbor. I'm really imagining myself coming back here more often, especially with the pylons at the end of the docks here and everything. And it's pretty casual, nice open area. It seems like there's plenty of room for everybody to fish and catch some fish. So there's good action here. Not too much farther from my house either, so about 15 minutes. I'll definitely see myself coming by here again, using the sardine green, using the dark sleepers. Not very much action today, but it's not just me. I'm here with 4 others, and they're not exactly pulling in crazy amounts. So pretty happy with the 4. Anyways, talk to you later. See ya.